Good morning, everybody. Today is Sunday, February 4th, and we are going to one of my most favorite spots, Sunday Motor Co. This is a spot in Madison, New Jersey that is a car-themed kind of cafe. There's a lot of cool cars that end up showing up. I love hanging out with my friends there, bringing my camera, my GoPro, and I'm going to be recording some experience with you guys to hopefully kind of find out and maybe check out this place if you want yourself. I'm going to be taking some photos with my camera, which I always do. I'll upload some on the video when the time comes, and I have my GoPro here today, so maybe as I cruise down with my friends, we can get some cool rolls going. So Stay tuned, guys. I will update you once I make it to the spot. See ya. So we made it to the spot. We are at Costco in the troops, ready for us to head out. About to leave in just a moment, but it's going to be pretty exciting. Decent crowd here, and we have more that's going to meet us at the spot. I'm very excited. I will update you guys once we get there. Hey everybody, we are here at the spot, Sunday Motor Co. As you see here, there's some pretty nice cars. Here's the cafe itself. I got a spot over there that you guys can zoom in, but the place isn't too popular and busy as I've had in other days. I do know there's another meet going on down in Woodbridge, which is Los Goonies, and actually might be going down there to record some content as well. So overall, the food was great. We had, what did we have? Cranberry scone, cold brew. I had a latte, mocha latte, which was fantastic. And like a salmon toast. Yeah, I had a salmon toast, which I really liked. I just love lox. Like a focaccia sandwich. Yep. So overall, very good. Vibes have been immaculate. The weather turned out nice. It's not too chilly.
Yeah, the sun is gorgeous.
The sun is out here keeping us warm. But here we have our group, a good mix of G80 and L3 Harris Motorsports members. And yeah, it's been a blast. Very grateful to spend time here with people I love, who I get to hang out with, have fun, and make some memories. Hey guys, we are at the Los Goonies meet here down in Woodbridge, New Jersey. We're showing up fashionably late as we were at Sunday Motor Co just previously, but this place looks packed. I'm excited to see some cool cars, hopefully some other G80s so I can get some inspiration on what they look like, and maybe I'll add to this car. But my car is right now completely stock because I took off the spacers to figure out why the car is having a vibrating problem, but it appears that the issue is still persisting. But nonetheless, we still had a lot of fun driving this car. I'm only experiencing those issues once you hit past those like 100 miles an hour speeds, but overall, you know, car's still driving fine. So just gonna be recording the process, but this is us parking right now, and we're gonna check out some cool cars. So up to you guys then. This meet is packed, guys. I have the widest view on the camera right now, so this is kind of all you can see, but we got a variety of everything. German, Japanese, VQ, American, and we got a GTR right here. I'll do a walk down and kind of show what we got going on, but so far, very cool stuff. Scraping, boys. Looking at some cars here. It's another manual G80 like mine, which is awesome. I think this is an Atlantis blue color with some HREs. Fills it out nicely. I don't really like super huge wheels, so you can't really have much tire, but I think it's nice. It fits the chassis well since it's such a big car. Yeah, I want to get 20s though. I get 19.
Yo, there's like 3 on the Civic here.
I get 19. Alright, let's keep walking, guys. They're 20s, yeah. I know. I said I'd get 19.
Those look small. Those look small.
The rears are definitely
Get out of here. On my G80?
The rears are definitely 21.
They look huge.
The rears are way too big.
Yeah.
Yeah, the rears are definitely 21. That's a nice carbon hood. Supras, Diogo.
That is literally Diogo right there.
GR Corolla.
Fucking
That's a supercharger, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's nice. That's the crap. Yeah. Very cool.
Diogo fucking wishing.
Hey, something carbon roof like you wanted. GR Corolla. Oh, this is the circuit edition with the forged carbon roof. It's nice.
You saw the guy with the black one rolling in with the truck number on the side?
Yeah.
And the back of his car is a massive voltage.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's sick.
I think it must be serious.
Supras, JDM gang. It's like a Vert E36. That's pretty slam. Got a lot of slam guys here. Got a Durex. More Supras. Ooh, what is this thing? It's a Toyota something. That's an old Corolla. That's an old Corolla.
I think it's like a first or second gen Corolla.
That's nice. I think it's a manual Supra with the wheels, right?
No, it's not manual.
Oh no?
It's a 23 though.
Nice. Very nice.
Like, I'm not trying to do
Very nice. Some more Beamers and everything. Oh wow, NJT guy. Got a C5 Vet. I like the half tops. Those are nice. Looks neat. Life's too short. Sorry. Some 350Z, 370Zs. Ooh, an E90. Wow, Mitsubishi Lancer. This thing's nice, man.
Yeah.
Oh, it's right-hand drive too?
I thought these weren't legal yet.
Right-hand drive.
bro. Anything 99, cool.
Evo 4 just became legal.
Yeah, the white on white is perfect.
Really?
Yeah.
I couldn't do
this
that.
car. So what are these? Workmeisters?
Yes.
Work motion?
My friend Johnny.
I don't know too much about works.
No, they work. Yeah, you can see by the cap.
Okay. Wow, look at this. Laguna Blue E46 M3.
I didn't even see this.
It's gorgeous. One of my favorite colors for this car. It's just fun.
This
Hits the light nice. It's like a nice light blue teal. Manual, the way we like it. Got a, I think it's a 3 Series. Wow, look at that. Is that the S4 9 Stradale or whatever it's called? Wow, G80 looks nice, guys. I definitely want those carbon intakes because that just looks beautiful. Carbon lip is good.
Wow, it's cute.
That color is so nice. Wow, look at the Super Gang. 3 of the same Supras.
God damn.
We have the same.
Different wheels, yeah. See them?
What the heck?
The paint's slightly different.
That's tough.
That is pretty tough. M4 CSL, M3 CS, Murdered. Oh wow, the hoods are nice. Front roof. I get my car to look like this, but it's not worth it. M2 comp, or it's a base M2 with a different bumper. Fancy competition, but I don't remember exactly.
More over here.
Got the manual badge on that. It's a nice red.
Interesting. These are wrapped.
Orange is nice. No, these are paint. The Yari edition comes with the paint, and it comes with the those like matte silver wheels. It's really nice.
Nice. Those are so
Yeah, it has the manual.
Cut out the grill.
Yeah. I think because all the eBay reps, it's not the same size for the OEM badge, I've heard. So people make CNC their own. Yeah. It's an M4 competition. Got the nice dining carbon fiber parts. Got the toe strap there. I might do that. That's actually really nice. With the lip.
the rat dog.
I want this one though.
would look nice on a
You want
white
that
car.
okay?
Yeah.
It's so much.
I love BMW.
Oh, Mac Blue.
I want to see how that's your golden vein.
Somebody could have
You slammed it though.
This is slammed?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, you get lowering links.
Yep.
Yo.
This is slam. It's like if I had a bike, I'd probably get it at this height somehow.
Yeah, it's slam.
Ryan,
Yo,
rotary swaps truck.
that's cool. What is it? A rotary?
Yeah, it's 12A from an FP.
Whoa. We got a rotary swapped motor.
Look at how much space there is. Like,
Yeah. It's a lot of weight you're saving. But very cool. Alright, let's keep going. Where's Adriana? She with the dog. Yeah, she's at the dog. We got the Mazda Miata. It's a rotary swap Miata. That's honestly not a bad idea.
I think that's a 13B, I think.
How light this car is with that, it's like a perfect match. Liability, I don't know.
See how
but-
far in it's mounted? Like,
Yeah, so it's more of it's right on the axle. And here we go. Got American Muscle Boys. Got a Duster. That's Nick's car.
Really?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Plymouth Duster. That's a 340. 70D. E92 M3.
it just keeps going, man. There's so many cars.
On the BBS. Nice. Civics. Some SIs. Yeah, it's getting a bit chillier, but got a BRZ, an F80 M3.
Oh yeah, let me get my hand.
GT Mustang. 335i probably. Oh, it's Jakob's color over there.
Yeah.
Looks good in the sun.
Ahí se lo comí, pero también.
Oh, look, that's right. This video from
Crown Vic.
Got a Crown Vic right here. GT500. Thing's so aggressive.
Okay, that's the rotary truck.
Yeah. The rotary's going brap brap. Another Shelby. Convert. My boy be straight. Z06? C7 Z06?
I don't know, but it BS tires.
Has the side badge, yeah. It's a cool overland Jeep. This is just like Rob's car. Got the Slam TT. Oh!
Yo, I just can't. He flexed on you.
Looks good.
I should get bags.
No, you should not.
That's fine.
Wow, look at that thing. R32. Yeah. Some full JDM cars. GTR. Always looks good. Avante Chaser. Toyota Chaser, wow. This thing's pretty cool. What is it?
Jay-Z, one Jay-Z. Huh?
Like what's so special about it? What is it?
It's imported.
Japanese.
Oh, it's imported?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Imported. I'm pretty sure it has a Jay-Z right-hand drive. They're just nice.
That's cool.
Adam LZ, he drifts them.
Nice.
One day, you
I think, yeah.
OG Skyline right here. Right-hand drive.
That's man with the Celsius right here.
It's pretty sick.
I like the rim.
Got the Celsius with the curtains in the back. It's pretty cool.
You know the Toyota Sentra I really want? That's basically the same car.
Ah, I see. Civic Type R.
It's tight.
Sure to not scratch anything for the owners. Ford Z. CTR is always nice. Wow, this goes far out, man. It's a lot of cars. And this was like at the end. Nah, it's Sunday. I think most of the stores are closed.
Only in Bernie County.
Oh, okay.
This is not very kind of great.
No. We too deep for that.
Well, look at that one. That's like metallic.
Yeah, it's a wrap. Like a satin metallic wrap. Terminator Cobra, right?
They call it
SBT.
Yeah, it's called
SBT.
SBT there.
That's what it is.
I like that blue.
Yeah, it's like a baby blue.
Yeah. That's
And 5 boys. Ooh.
It's like a
Integra Type R. RSX Type R. Should probably be a Type S. That's a Honda.
Yeah, I said it's tag.
Integra is Honda. But
Oh, okay.
my M2.
Wow, you see the Viper?
Aw.
Rapid Sand, right? Where? Oh, wow. It's a funny looking one. Got another Civic boys. So that's about it. I mean, there were some cool cars. Got to see some things. Hope you guys got something out of seeing what those cars are. Overall, it was fun. Did you enjoy it?
Yeah.
nice. You know, a lot of weed smell which you don't appreciate, but
Yeah.
There's more cars.
Nasty.
there's more cars, yeah. So, sweet. If I see anything else cool, I will put the camera on and be sure to show you guys. Thanks for watching. If you guys didn't make it this time, make sure to come out again. You can follow me at Feroz Moto on Instagram. And if you ever want to meet up, link, or come to one of our meets, just feel free to hit us up. Alrighty guys, I will see you later. Bye.